हेलो ग्रुप मेंबर्स। तो जैसा आप सभी को पता है, बिटकॉइन रिसेंटली 20% डाउन हो गया है और उसने अभी $8,100 मार्क को टच किया है और वो 10,050 अराउंड $10,055 से ड्रॉप हुआ है। तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ, हम ये एनालाइज करेंगे अगेन फिबोनाची रिट्रेसमेंट ग्रिड के थ्रू। मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन किया था व्हाट इज़ फिबोनाची retracement grid and why we use it. Okay, so we will be using same tool again to analyze, to figure out what really happened to Bitcoin and why just it got plunged. Okay, so I have already, to save the time, I have already drawn Fibonacci retracement grid over this chart, and I have taken two extreme points. One is $13,974 and all the way down to another extreme point, that is $3,805. Okay, so if you look at 0.618 level, okay, we see that it is at $10,089. Okay, और यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं बिटकॉइन रिस्पेक्टेड दैट लेवल. Okay, बिटकॉइन almost touched that level and went back. So as of now, this $10,089 is acting as a resistance. Okay, I have already explained in my previous video कि ये जो horizontal lines है ये they act as support and resistance. So if trend is below these lines, they are most likely to be acting as a resistance. Okay, so they here $10,089 mark acted as a resistance, and Bitcoin just went back to another level for finding support, obviously. So we see that another level below 618 is 0.5 और वो है $8,889 पर. Okay, so currently Bitcoin is hovering around that mark. So what could be the next step Bitcoin is going to take? ये हम ऐसे देख सकते हैं कि ये जो दूसरा इसके नीचे वाला लेवल है 0.382 फिबोनाची रेशियो एंड दैट इज अराउंड $7,689. This is the next going to be resistance if and only if Bitcoin daily candle, this is a daily chart, I have selected a daily chart, so each candle is a daily candle. So if our daily candle does not closes above 8,000, sorry, yes, 8,889 mark, currently it is at 8,816. So as per this grid, Fibonacci retracement grid, 8,889 mark will act as resistance. It will stop Bitcoin to go upward if Bitcoin didn't manage to close above this mark. Okay, so as of now Bitcoin is doing pretty good, but anything can happen. Okay, so अभी तो ये 8,889 मार्क के ऊपर नहीं गया है, जाता है तो होपफुली इट विल बी एक्टिंग एज एन रेजिस्टेंस और फर्दर नीचे नहीं जाएगा. बट अगर आज की जो डेली ये जो कैंडल है ये क्लोज होती है इसके नीचे, तो माय फ्रेंड्स इट इज़ मोस्ट लाइकली दैट इट विल टच $7,689 मार्क. अभी एग्जैक्ट डिजिट की बात नहीं कर सकते हम, 7,690 भी हो सकता है, $8,000 भी हो सकता है, बट इट विल लूज द सपोर्ट. ओके, सो you should plan your trade accordingly. So if you're thinking or if you're planning to invest in altcoins, so and if Bitcoin again plunged, then it will make altcoins bleed and you will lose your capital. So okay, so I have explained this. So you have to plan your investment accordingly. Okay, so this is one indicator. Okay, and let me show you another indicator we have, that is relative strength index. Let me search it over here. Here it is. Close it. Okay, so relative strength index, what it exactly is, let me just explain. But first we can see that relative strength index is currently going downwards around, it is around below 60. So it is in good position that it can go down more, but because it is a daily chart, so we generally don't use daily chart for relative strength index. Relative strength index is only good on, you know, 2 hour, 4 hour or 6 hour time frames. It you know, we don't use it on daily chart. So let us switch on 2 hour time frame, and you will see that relative strength index is in oversold condition, guys. So below 30 is oversold. So this is 30 mark and it is below the 30 mark. This is in oversold condition. Below 70 is called overbought condition. In between this range, it is good. So currently it is below 30, so it is oversold condition. What that means? It means that Bitcoin should move upside. Okay, let me show this to you on 4 hour time frame as well. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame, and again it is around 30. So it can be considered as oversold right now, but you know, it is above 30, so it is in, you know, normal range. So we cannot force it to be believed that it is oversold. Let me check it again on 6 hour time frame. I think Binance do not have that option. No problem, we have seen it on 2 hour and 4 hour, that would be sufficient. And on 2 hour, guys, this is currently oversold, so that should be taken in consideration. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for your time, thanks for watching this.